The prototype we are seeing now, which is performing keying test, is built by our RCP built-in type linear actuator and our XY axis to provide customers with a multi-station collaborative solution. At present, it can realize multi-station testing, such as for-station function testing. Then if it is built with a camera, it can realize visual inspection and fast response. This next prototype is built from our HST series built-in linear actuator and PT variable pitch slide for multi-station handling. In application industries, this solution is used in many scenarios, mainly to solve the problem faced by customers in the low station and low efficiency working environment. Multi-axis stage and our PT variable pitch slide can be built together to realize multi-station handling. For example, to realize the handling of one station to 8 stations or more stations. In this way, we can effectively solve the problem of low production efficiency of customers. Improving productivity is what we at KGG want to offer our customers. Lastly, this model is a collaborative control solution built from our linear motor actuators and ZR axis actuators. This has a two-rotor actuator structure, so it can be used in high-precision 3C and semiconductor industries to realize fast surface mounting and fast dispensing applications.